What's going on, beautiful prepping family? The wife and I here at Big Lots. About to go see their crazy, ridiculous prices, I've heard, and see if they have any empty shelves, and show you different things that possibly might be on deal or must-haves for June. I'm with the wife, so she does like to shop, so let's check it out and see. Yeah, you know, Father's Day beer mugs here at Big Lots. You know, and don't know the price on this thing. Let's see on the bottom here. It is $8. This could be a cool gift for the Father's Day's gift.
Can't forget about our good dads.
Margaritaville drinkware right here, $10. Look at this cool bike right here. It's a 26-inch cruiser bicycle. Margaritaville, pretty dope. Vertical gas smoker, $200. Pretty cool. It's got a gas grill, small thing right here where you could attach a propane to. $28.99. Look, for those outdooring people, $129 for this inflatable two-person
kayak.
Yep. And then look at this Sky Dome outdooring as well. I don't see a price on this thing. There's no price on this, but it says it's a 5-minute setup made by Coleman. Look at this little mini campfire pit, $29. Pretty dope, right? Look, sleeping bag, air mattress. Wow, Big Lots got some stuff. Got some stuff that you could use, you know. Look at this. This is crazy. This is ridiculous on this price right here. $159 for this area rug. Man, that price in Sam's, you could get the taller one than that. Like, bigger as well. They do have their vacuums over here on the one section. They do have vacuums here. I would say that as well. 40-piece set compared to my last Sam's video. $10. The other one was $22 and it was a 50 set, but Rubbermaid makes it. Well, they got a George Foreman grill here for $29.99. Okay. I got an air fryer here, as seen on TV, people, for $69.99.
Everybody needs an air fryer.
Yeah. This is your electronic section in here. Look, they have a blenders. They got coffee makers over here. They do have toasters. I mean, you name it. They do have a whole bunch of different items that you can pick for your home. Air fryers, 5-quart air fryer for $79.99. They got a small slow cooker, 1.5 quart for $15. That's not bad, you know, if you're a single person living by yourself. Man, this is the dog section. They do have some empty shelves here on the dog section. No love for the pet owners, the fur babies, no love whatsoever. They do have a bunch of toys that they could choose from, but come on, man, they're gonna eat toys versus giving them their food. Just a snack section over here. They do have some empty spots, empty shelves. Also, they do have furniture here for those that are just moving in to a new home or a new place. Their pasta section is low here as well, but look how much that box costs, $2.29. Man, the inflation is real here. Wow. Also, Green Giant corn, green beans, $1.29. Chef Boyardee, $1.49. I mean, their canola oil, $3.49. Look at this mayonnaise, $6.99. I mean, that's a lot for this thing of mayonnaise. I mean, you could buy this for bigger at Sam's for less. It is crazy, ridiculous, insane on the. So a box of cereals, $3, 2 for $6. Wow. This is your dairies and egg section. I mean, it's empty, has no milk. Empty shelves here. I mean, chocolate milk, $1.50 for 16 ounce. Their milk is $3.45. Gallon milk is $5.69. Their water as well. They do have luggages here as well. They do have a car section as well, and a painting section for your DIYs, your home repairs. Electronic section as also. $24 for that keyboard, mouse, and headset. Your home garden stuff in this area right here as well. It's a five person dome tent for $89.99. Outdooring stuff over here in this area as well. They do have like gazebos and stuff like that here. For you moms that do green thumbs and men as well who like it. Must-haves to keep cool for the summer break. The furniture section as well, like I said earlier, furniture.
Oh,
They do have Yankee candles here as well.
$14.99. Nice. I don't know.
Doesn't smell like anything. It's a little cool section here. It's got like a bunch of assortment of things, you know. Cases for your AirPods, little silicones. I mean, you name it, they have it here. You know, they got power
They
cords.
got a toilet disco light for $8.
These are your must-haves as well, you know. I know people that use kids, yourself, electronics. They do have a as seen on TV section on this side. I'm already about to check out, but it's on the other side near the checkout. Like I said, the as seen on TV section. Chargers. That's just the cord, and then this is the wall piece or the card. Well, there you have it, beautiful prepping family. We just came out of there, showed you the different things and prices, some of the must-have things.
It was
That store,
okay.
yeah, it was okay.
So-so.
That store was small, so I mean, but there was not much to show as well. So
Not at all.
there you go. You saw Big Lots. Moving on to the next thing. We'll see you on the next video.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Please make sure you do that. It's free to do so. Y'all have a great one.
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed. Peace and love, family.